Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup for a pregnant lady. Begin by choosing fresh, organic vegetables low in nitrates and wash them thoroughly. Peel and chop carrots, potatoes, celery, and sweet potato into even pieces for uniform cooking. Sauté aromatics gently in olive oil, add stock, simmer until tender, then season with herbs, a squeeze of lemon, and salt to taste. Serve warm and cool slightly before eating. Choose ingredients that support pregnancy nutrition and gentle digestion. Include iron-rich greens like spinach, folate from lentils or peas, and vitamin C from bell peppers to aid absorption. Use low-sodium broth and limit strong herbs like sage and rosemary if advised by a provider. Cook vegetables thoroughly to reduce bacteria risk and avoid raw sprouts. Add a small amount of healthy fat like olive oil for vitamin absorption and flavor. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long kitchen shifts. They stay snug and durable, which makes kneading dough and standing at the stove easier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Use gentle simmering and avoid high heat to preserve nutrients and prevent overcooking. For creamy texture, reserve some cooked vegetables, blend the rest, then stir the reserved pieces back in for variety. Cool soup quickly and refrigerate within 2 hours in shallow containers to keep it safe. Reheat to steaming hot before serving, and avoid reheating more than once to maintain quality and reduce food safety risks. Label containers with date and portion size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.